Hi, today in front of me Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first open the settings app and then scroll down to the additional settings, then click to the screen recording and you'll see here the definition section. So just to switch the quality, you should select one from these available definitions or to set the custom one. Also, you can open the screen recorder settings just by finding here the screen record icon on the control panel. If you don't see here this icon, click on the right upper corner to these three dots, tap to edit titles and find here screen record icon, click to plus to edit. Now just let's go back to save the changes. Just by pressing hold to this icon, you will launch the screen recorder settings, and by the same way you could switch the quality of your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.